6:43. This storm system impacting so many people. I mean, look at all the places that are seeing rain from way up north and really northern South Dakota. Snow showers coming down the cold side of this system in Colorado and Wyoming to rain all the way into central Texas, but that's as far south as it's going to get. It almost is like there's a bubble over us. The front doesn't quite get here today, and so it's just going to be hotter today. Boy, yesterday was a big day for severe weather. Reports of tornadoes, hail, damaging wind. Actually, a lot of the damaging wind, hail, tornadoes was in southwestern Oklahoma and in parts of the Panhandle around the Lubbock area towards San Angelo. A lot of these reports in here in northeast Oklahoma and southwest Missouri, flooding. Actually, more people being impacted by the flooding than the tornadoes. Fortunately, even though there were numerous tornadoes yesterday and some big ones, they stayed in mainly rural areas, so no reports of injuries or fatalities. So we got lucky. Once again, as long as the tornadoes don't hit a town, things are okay. And unfortunately, that happened yesterday. But unfortunately, the severe weather threat continues today. I don't think there's going to be as much as yesterday, but particularly in parts of Arkansas and Missouri, damaging wind and hail are likely, and I do think we're going to see a few more tornadoes. The severe weather threat stretches all the way to Houston, but not here. And Sid, we stay completely dry. No chance of severe storms, no chance of rain. It is just going to be hot. Remember this graphic? I'm afraid to say we have to bring it back. The record high graphic. Today, record highs in McAllen and Weslaco, 198. And guess what we're forecasting? 198. I think we're going to tie the record high in McAllen and Weslaco. Outside chance that we could break those records. I think the records are a little bit safer in Harlingen and Brownsville. Boy, it's going to be a close call in Brownsville. 97 is what we're forecasting. The record high is 98. The safest record, I think, is Harlingen, 101. We're forecasting a high of 98. Nice and hot. Average temperatures across the valley, 98. It's going to feel hotter than that, though. The humidity's a little bit lower today, but not much. So the heat index this afternoon, 103. The good news is it's still going to be a windy day. Gusts around 30 miles per hour. Not quite as windy as yesterday, especially in the afternoon. The winds are going to gradually be decreasing, and so will the cloud cover. We're going to start mostly cloudy this morning, but skies will become sunny this afternoon, and that's going to lead to the very hot temperatures with lots of sun expected in the afternoon hours. And then the opposite occurs tonight. We start clear, but late tonight, cloudy skies will return. The humidity still there. It's going to be a muggy night, only cooling down to 78, but we catch a break from the winds temporarily. Winds only around 10 miles per hour tonight, so not going to be as windy at night, but guess what? The winds are going to pick right back up tomorrow, and we're looking at gusts around 30, maybe even 35 miles per hour once again. Now, technically, it's going to be a little bit cooler tomorrow, but the humidity is going back up a little bit, so it's going to feel exactly the same. Notice the heat index the same, 103. No chance of rain tomorrow. A little bit more cloud cover tomorrow. Generally partly cloudy skies, but the cloudiest part of the day will be the morning, and then skies will become mostly sunny in the afternoon. It's going to be around 95 on Thursday as well. The one difference on Thursday is we do have a small chance of rain. Now, it's small. We're only talking 10%, but a few showers are possible Thursday morning. After that, that's our only chance of rain. Partly cloudy skies Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Mostly sunny for Memorial Day. And guess what? Staying hot mainly in the mid-90s. And it's going to stay breezy. The windiest days are going to be the next 3 days, but there's still certainly going to be a breeze around even through Memorial Day on your First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast. We'll be right back after this break.